We are all still searching for words and thoughts to definitively pinpoint what the hell is wrong with West Indies cricket. And right on cue is the announcement of the squad for the ODI series to England. We see where the Trinidadian trio of Dwayne Bravo, Darren Bravo, and Sunil Narayan have all declined selection to the squad. Narayan said he wants to play Super 50 cricket for Trinidad first. Dwayne Bravo said he is not 100% fit and won't be ready until next year. And Darren Bravo, the man who recently wanted to take the West Indies board to court for leaving off the team, that same Darren Bravo says he's simply not available for selection. No argument. Now that right there is the most fundamental reason why ODI and Test cricket dead like dog in the West Indies. The top players are simply not interested or motivated to play for the West Indies. After this big hullabaloo about amnesty and changing the eligibility selection criteria, the West Indies board vowed to let the so-called stars back into the fold. And 3 of the top players turned down the selection. If it's up to all me, them they don't play back for West Indies again. Life man. The man won't play the cricket on their own terms. And so all those people who were making this bag of noise about Darren Bravo must come back in the team and blah, blah, blah. You must feel like idiot. No. But I was warning you all about the mentality of these little overrated knockoffs who use West Indies cricket at their convenience. You hear me? I don't have no more to say about them. I don't want to talk about West Indies. I'm done with them. I don't want to hear